Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this popcorn maker from Vicko Appliances. Capacity 120 grams, 1400 watts, it is the power consumption. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Make the best popcorn. I like the color. So we have some instructions later. The cable length, it is 80 centimeter. I think the color is petrol. Yeah. 4 silicone rubber feet. It will stay very secure at your kitchen countertop. Plastic, on-off switch, popcorn maker. Please read the instruction manual. Okay, I will do that. And here we have one lid, a huge spoon. Is getting hot. Plastic. Black petrol color. Stainless steel inside, I think. So let's make a popcorn. We need corn. I think that is enough. Add the lid. At the top you can melt the butter. Maybe you like that way your popcorn. I think that is okay. Maybe too much. And on. That was all. butter is melted. You can add salt. If you prefer the butter. Oh, it is so hot. This is your choice, how you want. I like it, it's very tasty. So gather your friends and family, lay down at your sofa, watch your favorite movie and enjoy a tasty popcorn fast anytime you want. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. Yummy, yummy.